Earning money from a website can be a great way to monetize your online presence, whether you have a blog, e-commerce site, or any other type of website. In this article, we will discuss various ways to earn money from a website, how to choose the right monetization method for your website, and some tips for maximizing your earnings. Advertising. Advertising is one of the most common ways to earn money from a website. You can place ads on your site and earn money when visitors click on them or view them. There are several ad networks available, such as Google AdSense, Media.net, and Infolinks, that allow you to display ads on your site. To get started with advertising, you will need to sign up with an ad network and place ad code on your site. Ad networks typically pay you based on clicks or impressions, and the amount you earn will depend on the ad network, your site traffic, and the ad placement. To maximize your earnings from advertising, you should focus on creating high-quality content that attracts visitors to your site. You should also experiment with different ad placements and ad formats to find the ones that work best for your site. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another popular way to earn money from a website. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products on your site and earn a commission on sales made through your unique affiliate link. Companies such as Amazon, ShareASale, and Commission Junction offer affiliate programs that you can sign up for. To get started with affiliate marketing, you will need to find products that are a good fit for your audience and promote them on your site. You can create product reviews, comparison articles, or other types of content that promote the products you are promoting. To maximize your earnings from affiliate marketing, you should focus on building a relationship with your audience and providing them with value. You should also track your results and experiment with different affiliate products and promotions to find the ones that work best for your site. Sponsored content. Sponsored content is a way to earn money by publishing sponsored posts on your site. Companies will pay you to write a post promoting their products or services. Sponsored content can be a good way to earn money if you have a large following and a good reputation in your niche. To get started with sponsored content, you will need to reach out to companies that are a good fit for your site and pitch them on sponsoring a post. You should also make sure that the sponsored content is clearly labeled as such, to avoid misleading your audience.